And welcome to the Smash News Network, least busted name of news. We are, once again, streaming more imagery of El Sol. We've got really what amounts to a huge dip in solar activity from Earth's perspective. Although not to worry, there's plenty more activity going on, and there's a geomagnetic storm happening. So, lots of stuff happening despite only a couple of sunspot groups, these two down here. This one's been evolving over the past 24 hours. I think that's 3023. Radio flux down to 114 solar flux units. There is your radio flux over the past year. It's the black line. And again, geomagnetic storm conditions. We have a high-speed coronal hole wind stream striking the magnetosphere. We can expect this to go on for a while. It's going to get spotty. That's what's going to happen. So over the next day, we're going to see on and off geomagnetic storm and unrest conditions. Maybe for as long as 2 days. I think it's going to actually extend a bit into tomorrow. So anyway, that's the NOAA forecast you're seeing there. Let's see what's going on seismically. Things have been a little more calm here over the past 24 than the past 48, as there were a series of large quakes about 48 hours ago. Anyway, here is the current rundown, and this is one of the largest, the Solomon Islands 5.2 magnitude quake. Right at the bottom of our list, 5.1 at the South Sandwich Islands. Got a pretty decent sized quake here in the U.S., a 2.5 in Stanley, Idaho. That's not very big. What do we have here? A 3.2 in San Lucas. Oh, more quakes in Iceland. If that's a magmatic quake, and it might be, a 4.7 magnitude quake is a big deal. And it's not under the Reykjanes Peninsula. Huh. Looks like it is under a volcano, perhaps. Anyway, that's the location of that. It's a 4.7. And it occurred just recently, a couple of hours ago, at 8:06 Universal Time. By the way, if you haven't seen our merch, check it out. You can find it on the homepage. There's a Smash-O merch link right at the homepage, smashomash.com. Congratulations, everybody, on surviving a global pandemic so far. And whatever else you've survived so far, congratulations on that. Hopefully you've survived fraud and deathware. Did you vote for the Dimension of the Year? Are you still using Google as a verb? Please stop. It's making my ears bleed. Anyway, if you check out the merch this weekend, you can save 20 to 60% site-wide, actually, using the promo code YourThing. So, once again, don't pole vault the caldera, no matter how bad things appear to be. Don't do it, folks. Don't pole vault the caldera. It could be very unhealthful to pole vault the caldera, so please don't do it. You're not Steve Stimpak, the original caldera pole vaulter. So, don't do it. Don't pole vault the caldera. It's not cool. Not cool, y'all. No caldera pole vaulting. And we want to see you free from your pole vaulting requirements. If somebody would like you to pole vault the caldera, tell them Universum Liberate. See what they have to say to that. And, oh, that reminds me. I'm wearing the shirt. So here's up. I'll have to model it once again. Universum Liberate. So yeah, check it out. It's pretty sweet. It's quite colorful, perhaps a conversation starter. And our products are sold all around the world. We've got some in Tasmania, as a matter of fact. So perhaps we'll be sending some to Belarus pretty soon. Check out smashamash.com/smashteam if you'd like to support the channel. You could become a member at the silver or gold level at smashamash.com/smashteam. It'll entitle you to things, especially at the gold level. And we're going to actually show a preview for once. So there's the all levels. You don't even have to be logged in to see that. There's silver and gold only. And there is the gold level. It's a different speed animation, folks. And also, showing what's going on for the gold level members only. There was a brief look. And yeah, the solar cycles getting explained only for the gold level Smash Team members. Smashamash.com will provide links. Also links to our social media and so forth. So welcome to the Neo Renaissance. Drop us a line on your favorite social media. If you've got Aurora pictures, send them to our Instagram or to our Twitter. And we'll notice those soon and we'll share them. Let's see what volcanoes are erupting. To close out our space weather video, 1 of 3 on the day. Bezimiani continues to explode and produce a 20,000-foot plume of volcanic ash, creating some fertile soil on the icy peninsula of Kamchatka. Subanosejima exploding, producing a 6,000-foot ash plume there over the Ryukyu Islands. Mount Ibu exploding. 7,000-foot ash plume from Mount Ibu, as rocks become part of the atmosphere for a brief period. Semeru exploding, flight level 130. Little bigger ash plume over East Java from Semeru. It's a 13,000-foot plume of volcanic ash. Don't pole vault the caldera. Gauna, now on the list. Please avoid the summit area. Folks, please avoid the summit area. Here at the Smash News Network, we don't want to see you pole vault the caldera. So please avoid the summit area of Gauna. It's a very unwise thing to do. Don't pole vault the caldera. You do not want to become part of a volcanic disaster. It's not pleasant, I would suppose. Not that I know from experience. Fuego volcanic ash not observed from Fuego doesn't mean it's not erupting. Heavy rainfall, so there may be a phreatic eruption fixing to happen there. Phreatic eruptions are when magma interacts with water, and that's how you get very explosive eruptions. So, you could see a massive uptick about to happen at Fuego in Guatemala. But don't pole vault the caldera. Rains don't put out volcanoes, they cause them to explode. Nevado del Ruiz exploding. 20,000-foot ash plume from Nevado del Ruiz in Colombia. 2 suspects in Ecuador, in fact, they are convicted of erupting. Sangay and Mervenador, 20,000-foot ash plume and 15,000-foot ash plume respectively from those Ecuadorian volcanoes. And Sabancaya also exploding, flight level 240. Thanks for tuning into the Smash News Network. These Busted Damon News.